Desk is the Yamaha MG24 channels that you've got to use. Only the first 16 channels have microphone inputs. So those are the ones that you can use for mics. And then these channels here, from 17 to 24, are really more for stuff that you have at the desk. So an iPod or a CD player or the wireless mics could be used there. Let's have a look specifically at each channel in detail. All of these channels, 1 to 16, and even the other channels are very similar. The first 16 channels are exactly the same. So once you understand everything for this channel, you'll understand how to use these here. Okay? So the first section here, so this is the mic input. You should plug microphones and DI boxes in there. If you are plugging in a line level source, something active like a CD player or a keyboard, it should go into here. But if you're plugging a keyboard into a DI box, then the DI box gets plugged into there. Okay, so is the preamp section, and this is where you adjust the gain for the microphone that you're using. But you need to get the level of the mic coming in, or whatever instrument it is coming in, high enough so that you avoid the noise floor of the desk, but not too high so that you distort the input on the channel. So that's where you adjust this. If the gain is all the way down and you plug it in and you're already getting distortion on the channel, which you'll see when this light comes on. The peak light there. Then you'll need to use the pad. But generally that happens if you're plugging an active output from a keyboard or from a CD player or something like that into the mic input.